So today I'd like to talk about how you can prevent a lot of diseases and a lot of problems such as powdery mildew, blight, fungus attacks, and dampening off disease. So you can't always stop a disease from running through your garden, but you can control the environment to help prevent some disease breakouts. So there's 3 things that I do for my garden to help reduce the occurrences of disease breakouts. All right, number 1 is keep your plants dry at night. So most diseases like moist environments to grow in, and if you can keep the plants dry at night, you can prevent a lot of problems such as your powdery mildew, the blight, the fungus attacks, and the dampening off disease. And some of the gardeners that I know that live in rainy areas, they even grow like their tomato plants and pepper plants under a hoop house to keep the rain off of the plants. So for me, the key is to not water the plants after 3 p.m. in the afternoon. All right, number 2 is keep the garden clean. So leaving plant and weed residue in the garden can harbor diseases over the winter. And so at the end of the season, you want to make sure that you clean up your garden, and you can compost that material or just throw it away. That helps to keep the diseases down. All right, number 3 is make sure the plants have enough calcium in their systems. So calcium creates strong cell walls and helps to prevent dead spots in the leaves and the fruit. So lack of calcium can create blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers. And for us, because our pH of our water here on the farm is over 8, our plants struggle in the summer to absorb enough calcium through their roots. So as the pH rises in the soil, the calcium becomes bound and is not really available to the plants. So to get around this, we do a foliar spray of calcium once a week all summer long. And we spray the tomatoes, the peppers, the strawberries, peas, and lettuce. And we've really noticed a lot less dead plant material, and we get to harvest a lot more perfect tomatoes and peppers. So I like to use a liquid foliar calcium product, and you can find many brands with a search on the internet. So you want to search for calcium foliar spray. Now, if you would like to learn more about high-performance garden skills that can lead to your success, go ahead and jump on our website, thelivingfarm.org, or you can go to our YouTube channel where you can find over 500 garden videos. So I will go ahead and put the link in the description below.